How to fix you have been temporarily blocked from performing this action on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you'll find these options. Simply scroll down in here and click on Help and Support. After you click on Help and Support, click on Report a Problem, and you'll find this kind of screen, which is go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. Now press on OK. And try doing something, and if it shows up again, shake your phone. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on Report a Problem. After you click on Report a Problem, click on Include. After you include, the screenshot will be included. Now, in Describe the issue, type in, can you fix I have been temporarily blocked from performing this action issue, and submit it. Facebook will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue. This is how to fix you have been temporarily blocked from performing this action on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.